Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your customized jewelry and accessories business on Dorible isn't quick. So first type Dorible on the search. So Dorible is a website, it's a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any name you want, any business name. For example, like this. Select your industry, customized jewelry and accessories. So like this. Now enter your location and choose your website language. Now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section of the website, the header. You can edit it from here. If you want to change your site name, you can edit it from here or change it from here. If you want to turn this on and upload a file, if you want to change the label or add a new label, if you want to add external link, here if you want to turn this on, open link in a new page. If you want to manage your social link settings, display links to your social profiles. So that's it. If you want to add a channel, just select the social link, select the type of the social link, and here add the link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery of the website. If you want to change this, also here if you want to generate a new image, and if you want to upload image from a browser, for example like this. So let's pick some images from browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. And if you want to upload from library, or if you want to get some image from here, so for example I'm gonna choose this. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text of the website. If you want to regenerate it, if you don't like the text, you can regenerate it from here. If you want to change the size or the type of the writing, you can edit it from here. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list of the website. If you want to change this here, if you want to manage your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here if you want to manage your list items, here if you want to add a list item, here you can add, you can generate image, you can generate the title, and if you want to generate content, also if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonials section of the website. You can add testimonials if you want to generate code. Here if you want to generate by who, and here if you want to upload image. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location section of the website. You can change this. You can change the business address. Here, if you want to add additional text files, you can add title or the content. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the contact form section of the website. If you want to regenerate the contact form, here if you want to manage files, you can manage it from here. If you want to turn this on and custom input labels, if you want to generate form success message and edit the size or the type of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the last section on the website, the footer. Here if you want to change the business name, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, and if you want to add additional details, so that's it. And here if you want to manage social links settings, also if you want to add the channel, just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So let's save this. If you want to add any section you want, just click here and add any section. Just select the section and it will be added. If you want to regenerate the content of any section, just select the content like this. If you want to regenerate, for example, the style, you can regenerate it. If you don't like the entire section, you can regenerate it just like this. Select entire section and it will be changed. And it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section, just click here and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. And if you want to move it up or move it down, so like this. Now let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now you can publish your website. Just click here and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So here if you want to create a new page, if you want to go to the device settings, here if you want to ask anything you want. Also here if you want to find the website style settings, and here if you want to find the support settings. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching until the end and see you in the next video.